Oh, hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike making another video today. Today's video is on the Bubba motor, episode 2. All right, so in episode 1, I showed you how the power head was frozen. I had to replace the power head with a new one. I couldn't unfreeze it, and I got it to pop, and it was all good. So I took it all the way apart, cleaned, painted everything, and took it outside and got it on my rack outside, looking good, ready to get it started. Go outside, pull on the rope. Sure enough, it started as I was trying to get her adjusted. The spring broke. The spring broke on the rewind starter. And I know I'm not gonna be able to find a spring for this thing, so I'm gonna have to do the T-Mike trick and bend the end of it if it broke in the right spot and repair it to bring it back outside and continue working on the Bubba motor. So if everybody's ready for the T-Mike trick on the rewind starter, here we go. Common problem, spring broke on my, so this video is going to be a T-Mike trick on how to repair a rewind starter spring without having to replace it. How to repair it, all right? And it's going to involve some fire, a pair of needle nose, and a little T-Mike trick I'm going to show you while I'm doing it, all right? So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so if you look at the spring, there's the center part of the spring, rewind. Here's the broken piece. See the broken end right there? It's supposed to be right here. That piece. That piece is supposed to come up to right here. I'm gonna pull this piece out. I'll pull that piece out. That's the loop. That spring has made to loop, and then they put a rivet through it to hold it. So I'm going to try to set this spring up in a vise. I'm going to pull it out, tie wrap it with a tie wrap to try to keep it about the same, and take this end here, put it up in my vise, and heat it up and form it up to make that loop to be able to put it back in. It's going to be tricky, but I think I can get it done. If everybody's ready, let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so I got a tie wrap. I'm gonna pull the spring out. Try to tighten it up some. Put me a tie wrap. All right, then I'm gonna set it. Clean it up so it doesn't catch fire. I'm gonna set it in my vise and start working on it. We need the loop to go outwards this way. When I put it in my vise, it needs to go this way. So if everybody's ready, let's get started on that right now. I'm set up now. I got my spring inside the vise, and I want to make that loop coming back this way. All right. I got my propane torch, got my lighter, got my pliers I want to work with, and I got me some fire spray in case something happens right here. I can put out the fire. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get me some heat going. Bring that down a little bit. It got me a nice little heat here. Doing pretty good. I'm gonna compare it to this. Turn off my fire. I'll bring you in for a close look. Those two ends look pretty good. Look pretty good. Try to see if it fits inside. Back inside the rewind starter. It'd be a neat trick if it does. All right, let's see if I can get her in. Got her in. Now I'm gonna cut my tie wrap. Yes, sir. See the end right here, wrapped around? It's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna put my spring back together, see if she works. Okay, I gotta match this pin right here. It's gotta go right in this pin. Finally got it back together. Those rewind springs are hard to put together. Got it back together, and the Bubba motor spring has been fixed. T-Mike trick, a little heat, a pair of pliers, take your time, make the little hook, put it back together. Broken springs, when they break that close to the ends, can be repaired. Hope you'll enjoy the video. See you next time. Well, good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike having my morning coffee. That's good. Bon toaster coffee. Hey, guess what? T-Mike's got coffee cups now. Get your T-Mike coffee cup and have coffee with T-Mike in the morning. Whether I'm doing a live stream, a video, a short, whatever I'm doing, working on the motor, mail-in service repair, restoration work, whatever I'm doing, you can have your coffee with T-Mike with your T-Mike mug now. Get them on my website or in my eBay store, and the link is right down below. Enjoy your morning coffee with T-Mike. We're doing it one coffee cup at a time.